Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ashwini Kumar, and here I have with me Dr. Shravani, who scored an immaculate rank of 60 in the recently conducted INI-CET exam. Dr. Shravani, many congratulations
Thank
first.
you, sir.
And please formally introduce yourself, where you did your MBBS from, and what was your rank in this INI-CET.
My name is G. Shravani Reddy. I'm from Osmania Medical College. I'm of 2K14 batch. I've secured rank 60 this INI-CET.
What I came to know that your rank last time in NEET was
30,000.
30
Yes, sir.
30
29 to 30,000.
30,000.
Yes, sir.
So imagine this covered the journey from 30,000 to rank 60. Now this is something incredible, and you should take an inspiration from her. Well, Dr. Shravani, tell us about your journey. I mean, you are our pre-foundation student.
Yes, sir.
So tell us how you managed your time in college and coaching simultaneously. And when did you start? You started in second or third year?
I joined Bhatia during my 6th semester, and I've started attending classes from final year.
Okay.
From final year, I started attending the first year and the second year classes, sir. And in the final year and internship, I've completed most of the like basic subjects.
Okay.
I've prepared my notes. Then I started preparing the notes and studying the notes from internship.
Okay.
After internship.
So your internship got over in March 2020 only?
Yes, sir, March 29th.
And you actually became serious about this preparation
Yes,
after that itself.
Yes, sir.
So
From
probably
April.
it's a matter of 8 months only
Yes,
in which
sir.
you could able to
Yes,
score
sir.
this good rank.
Yes, sir.
Amazing. You've been associated with us for quite a long now. So
Yes, sir.
I wanted to know how was your experience with the DBMCI about
Yes, sir.
the classes, the feedback, and the schedule and everything.
Yes, sir. DBMCI Hyderabad, the schedule was very good, sir, and they used to correctly follow the schedule, and they used to allot a good bulk of time for each subject, not like completing anatomy in 3 to 4 days. They
Yes,
used to
yes.
give like 5 to 7
As a faculty,
days.
I can even say
Yes,
that
sir.
because even I have a liberty of taking
Yes, sir.
as many days as I want.
Yes,
This
sir.
is one of the centers in India.
Yes,
I
sir.
mean, out of the few center which like time is no foundation.
Yes, sir. Even for medicine, they gave 10 days, sir, and
Yeah.
which is really very useful
Yes,
because
yes.
we don't know anything when we attend the class.
Yeah.
But after Tamim sir's class, we really learn a lot.
Yes.
The way he teaches ECG or anything. Like, we couldn't afford to even miss it. And I've attended your class twice or thrice.
Okay.
Like, first time I just note down, I didn't know anything. The next time I started listening to you.
First time you attended when? In your second year?
Third year,
Third
sir.
year, okay.
Third year, sir.
Okay.
I wrote down, I just got my notes.
Okay.
So next time I just used to listen. Come sit and listen. The way you teach embryology like is really good,
Okay.
sir. I just watched your embryology videos also many a times.
Okay.
And even Pat Praveen sir. I also attended his class for twice.
Okay.
The first time I wrote down notes, and next time I used to just come and sit and. We used to have classes near our college, sir. So whenever
Okay.
we used to get bored or something, we used
Yes,
to go.
there's a
and
special badge near
Yes,
Osmania.
sir. Yes, sir.
The badge is called
Yes,
as
sir.
Osmanian badge only.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We used to have your classes in our auditorium.
Yes.
So
yes.
we used to come,
I
sit,
remember
we
that,
have
yeah.
to go and we have
Now that's a huge auditorium.
Yes,
I
sir. Yes,
remember
sir.
that. Yes.
Yes, sir. So it was good.
Being our foundation student, so you attended most of the classes like live. Like,
Yes, sir.
and this time when this lockdown was forced,
Yes,
so after March, people they attended half of the subject live
Yes,
and
sir.
half
Yes,
of them
sir.
were online.
Yes, sir.
What is your take on that? I mean, about the face-to-face class
Okay.
and these classes?
I have a very good audio-visual memory, sir. So I need to attend the classes to remember things.
Okay.
But when we sit live and we have that interactive session, it's like one-to-one, face-to-face
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
So whichever we have doubts, we can ask them directly. So I think being a foundation student, that was a huge advantage for me because I've attended the main subjects before my internship or during my internship. I attended the live classes. If I couldn't attend, if I won't attend, then I would have maybe lagged during my preparation if I have to attend the classes during COVID. So that was a huge advantage for me being a foundation student.
Okay. And people also found it a bit of blessing in disguise that like in a city like Hyderabad, Bangalore, where traffic is also an issue.
Yes, sir.
So during the lockdown period, those who were getting the classes online in their phone, that was kind of blessing for them. So
Yes,
like
sir.
it works. It's a double-edged
Yes,
sword.
sir.
It like both works
Yes,
both
sir.
ways.
Even after the lockdown, DBMCI continued the schedule, sir. It continued the classes. It kept all the classes, the exams. It never lagged anywhere, sir. The other institutes took some time to come online. Because they were also
Yeah, we were kind of
offline.
proactive on
Yes,
this. We
sir.
knew that this is going to
You
happen.
were very
so-
early, sir. You started very early, the online platform also. I think it's a very good thing. So like
Yeah.
being so early and completing the schedule very early.
Yes, I mean,
Yes, sir.
Dr.
When giving,
Rajat, he
yes, sir.
committed that
Yes, sir,
till
Rajat, sir.
Dr. Rajat, he is,
Yes, sir.
first of all, I'm sure he is a big motivational force for everyone.
Yes, sir.
And when you feel a bit dejected and low, and he is the
Yes,
one who'll
sir.
come up with some motivational videos in between.
Every
and-
week we used to wait for the motivational videos. Like, what next? What next?
Well, he's done it also, he know how to do it.
Yes, sir.
Acha, how regular were you with GTs? You given grand tests?
Yes, sir.
And were
Every
you regular?
grand test I used to give, even if I was prepared or not prepared, I used to give my grand test. I used to see like where did I go wrong. Like I didn't know the topic, I didn't read the subject.
Okay.
Then I don't used to feel bad, but if I did some mistake in the topic which I was thorough, then
Okay.
I used to see why did I do mistake, did I not read the question.
And do you feel that grand test should be given only after once you're done with all 19 subjects, or you should start it
sir.
early only?
No, sir, you should start it early because
Yes.
after giving grand test, we know how the person is asking the question.
Yes.
We will have theory knowledge,
Yes,
but we
yes.
have to know how to apply it
Yes.
during solving the questions or anything. So, giving grand test is really very important.
Moreover, even I feel that grand test, when you're giving a subject-wise test, you're just probably focusing on one subject only.
Yes,
But
sir.
let's say if you've prepared anatomy and you sit for a grand test, you may also try to apply the same knowledge in ENT and surgery,
Yes,
and you
sir.
might get few answers correct there
Yes,
as well.
sir.
So the overall graph
yes,
might
sir.
go up.
Yes, sir. The first 2 year subjects they form the basis, sir. Like the third year or the medicine surgery, if you're very thorough with your pharma, anatomy, pathology, micro,
Hmm.
you can cover a lot of chunk of surgery and medicine.
Hmm.
So one should be very thorough with the first 2 year subjects. Then this knowledge it helps to for better understanding of surgery and medicine, sir.
Okay. Like a foundation student, so you
Yes,
were already
sir.
having all the notes
Yes,
and
sir.
pictures, and you
I
don't
had,
want to add to
yes,
it.
sir. I had all the PDFs which you shared. I had all the
Okay.
PDFs of pathology and
Okay.
everything.
Okay.
So,
So you basically you stick to the same
yes,
one
sir.
source only
Yes,
and
sir.
didn't go to.
Yes, sir.
Vibe is basically fruitful for the people who want to have a last minute
Yes,
revision
sir.
of all the 19.
Yes.
Well, as you know that NEET dates has been delayed now,
Yes, sir.
and which was supposed to be in the 10th of January. Now we know that it's a gap of good 3-4 months in between.
Yes, sir.
And especially the people who got a rank of like, they're not able to fetch a very good rank in this INI-CT. They are very low and dejected.
Yes.
And they are not able to understand that what to do with these 4 months. I mean, should they
Yes.
continue their preparation, or should they just choose whatever they're getting in the INI-CT? I mean, first of all, I want to ask you, if let's say if we have 4 months in hand,
Yes, sir.
is it practically doable according to you?
Yes, sir. 4 months is a lot time, sir, according to me. First thing they have to do is solve the previous year question paper, sir.
Yes.
Like for an exam like INICET, or which was conducted by AIMS. So AIMS has a thing that they repeat a lot from the same questions.
Yes.
So while I was preparing for AIMS, before starting the preparation, I've solved all the questions, like 3 years question papers, sir. And in each topic, I've written how many questions they're asking and what is the topic from which they're asking.
Okay.
Like if it is anatomy, there'll be a question from femur, hand, neuroanatomy, foramens.
Yeah.
I wrote all the questions
Okay.
from like each subject. So while preparing or revising anatomy, first I used to prepare all those topics, sir. Then I used to go for other topics, such that I don't miss on the important things.
Yes.
I did this for all the 19 subjects, sir.
Okay.
So after that, you'll get a confidence like, chalo, I have solved all the questions previous year paper, so I'm thorough with that. Then you can see for the new things. Even for NEET, it is the same thing, sir. First, we have to solve all the questions.
Yes.
We should know what is the pattern they're asking
Exactly.
clinically, or what topics they're focusing on.
It may not be the same question they're asking, but
Yes,
you need
sir.
to get acquainted to the
Yes,
kind of
the
pattern or
topic.
the
Yes,
topics
sir.
they're following.
Yes, sir. We have to solve the questions, and then we have to read the notes, the important topics, and then we have to complete everything. Like that, I think we'll have a better approach on what we want, sir.
Hmm.
So I think in this 4 months, if people who didn't solve the question paper right, they first need to solve the question paper, write down the important topics. They need to divide the 19 subjects according to the marks,
Yes.
and then they need to revise in those in that particular time, sir. In like they can easily get 1 to 1.5 revision in this 4 months. Or 2
And see,
revisions.
this is coming from someone who scored rank 60 from 30,000. Now, the important thing is here, ki from 60, from 30,000 to 60, she scored, and she also, like, you got serious even only after March itself.
Yes, sir. After giving, I was not very sure about Central, sir. Like
Okay.
during the UG, like AIMS is AIMS, AIMS is AIMS, like that. So while giving that May AIMS, I was not pretty sure that I'll get, because I didn't do any previous year question papers. I didn't start my preparation yet. Like it was just 2 months now, sir.
Okay.
So after I got a rank of 300 in that AIMS,
Okay.
I was sure like no, Centrals is also easy. You should be very thorough with your foundation
Yes.
basics, your UG thing, your
Yes.
internship thing. So
And the pattern of the
pattern,
paper.
the paper, sir, and the important topics. And your notes is very important, sir. Like
Okay.
I have a habit of writing down notes. Not
Okay.
everybody will
Yes,
have,
yes,
but
yes.
I have like I need to write my own notes.
Yes.
So reading your notes, like revising your notes or path search notes, it was very very useful, sir. For like central exams, like anatomy, path, they form the basics for
Yes,
everything,
yes,
sir.
yes.
So after giving that May AIMS, I was sure no, I can write. I have a chance for centrals.
Okay.
So I just kept the same preparation, but during subjects I used to read the topics which were more important for centrals. I covered them
Okay.
and I gave. It was
Okay.
not even like May till November initiate, I should complete at least 1 or 2 revisions, one solid revision.
Okay.
Even if I don't get through it, I will be confident that I can give a better thing in NEET exam. So that was a main strategy.
Okay, no, wonderful. Very well described. Acha, as a teacher, I'm bound to ask this. I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
you attended all the classes in here.
Yes, sir.
Like, so which were the subjects which actually change your perspective about that subject, your approach to it?
Yes, sir.
And because you attended all the classes throughout the years, some classes
Yes,
you
sir,
attended
yes,
thrice
sir.
or thrice,
Yes, sir.
twice or thrice also.
Yes, sir.
So I wanted to know, like, that what are the major subjects you thought ki they really changed your approach?
Yes, sir. First, during my UG or internship, I thought that like the basic first year subjects are there, like you need to mug up those things, and yes, it's all the memory based things. But after reading the notes and the questions you gave in your notes, that oh, they can ask, they can relate this to that, and you need to be thorough with this to answer that.
Yes.
So everything in medicine is like integrated, so it is linked up.
Yes.
If you skip one thing, you don't, I mean, we are not sure, like if we don't read ENT, we can't attempt those 10 questions. It
Yes.
is not like doing anatomy, doing physiology will fetch you marks there.
Yes. Yes.
So everything is linked up, and we have to have an integrated approach, sir. Now the questions nowadays, it is like more of practical approach.
Yes,
Nothing
sir.
is like just like mugging up and answering it.
Yeah. So how important the internship is? I mean, in the current scenario.
So I think internship is a must for each and every one. My seniors, they particularly told me that do not skip the internship, and I thoroughly enjoyed my internship. It was very hectic,
Okay.
but it forms a basis, sir. In the question they'll ask, what will you do next? What will be your next step? And I used to think, if I was there, what did I do? If I've seen that patient in my casualty or something, what did I do? Or if I'll be there, what will I do? And the cannulas, the urine bags, everything is, you can't read everything, sir.
Yes, exactly. That
You
has to be
need to get
practical.
exposed to
Exactly.
it. Like whatever they're asking in medicine, they'll ask like in peritonitis patient, how will the patient present to you?
Okay.
So we've seen many peritonitis patients.
Yes.
So I think seeing the patient, and you see only thing which you know, sir. So you have to have the knowledge and you have to see the patient. Then only you can attempt the question, like most of the questions, sir.
Okay.
So internship is very important, and nobody can skip internship.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Acha, Dr. Shamani, any
Yes, sir.
final piece of advice you want to give to your juniors, because the exams are approaching?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to just summarize it all, that what do you want to say to them, those who are like looking up to these 3-4 months to fetch
Yes,
a
sir.
decent rank in the
Yes,
NEET?
sir. So 3-4 months is really a good amount of time. Everybody should plan their schedule, sir. Like they need to have a particular or proper timetable, and they should stick to it. And they should, yes, everybody will get demotivated. Everybody will have emotional breakdown.
Yes.
I used to break down a lot, and my
Yes.
parents used to support. And the family support is really, really important,
Absolutely.
sir. And the motivational videos by all the faculty, you need to watch them, and you need to stick to your timetable, and you have to give as many GTs as possible. Even weekly once GT is very important, because you might be very thorough with the subject, but you need to know how to apply it in the questions. So GTs are very important. Revising is very important. You need to revise to the subjects which you are weak in, and you need to solve the previous year papers, and you should have the idea what they're asking. And the things which you forget, sir, we have to keep it, spend last 2-3 days. Before my insight, I kept 3 days aside
Okay.
to all the topics which were important, I was weak in.
Okay.
like they'll definitely ask this question,
Okay.
like scoring, smelled, pelled, Q, SOFA score. We have to, I wrote down each and every subject, the topics which I was weak in, I need to see before going to exam. So last 2-3 days we have to keep aside for that particular thing, so that you can revise the things, sir. And revising the things which you are weak in will really help you, and it will make you feel confident. Okay, I've revised it, so I can attempt the paper. So being confident is also very important, sir. So
Also, what I've seen is that like people when they're try to solve MCQs,
yes, sir.
like if somebody has made a target of solving 100 MCQs daily,
Mm.
so they just make a target of solving 100 MCQs and not targeting to solve 100 MCQs in 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Because in
Time.
exam, the
Yes,
time
sir.
is the
Yes,
main
sir.
factor.
Yes, sir.
Because you might be knowing the answer to that question,
Yes,
but
sir.
will you be able to fetch the answer in 30
Yes, sir.
seconds?
Yes,
That's
sir.
the main
Yes,
challenge.
sir. Yes, sir. Time is a really very important factor, sir. And even the questions are being lengthy.
Yes.
The questions are easy, but they're confusing us in the options, sir.
Absolutely.
So time is a very important factor. So while solving the question, we should, like for anatomy, if you're giving some 100 questions, you try to solve them in 60 minutes.
Exactly.
So that we get acquainted to it while in the real exam, sir.
Yes.
So you should keep last 10 to 15 minutes at least to see the questions which you have left. So in the exam, it is like time factor is very important. The accuracy is very important. Recalling things is important.
Yes.
It's a multiple things happening in
Yes.
just those 3
Exactly.
hours, sir.
You just have to handle the pressure.
Handle,
with
sir.
that.
Yes, sir. Like those
Exactly.
3 hours, you have to forget everything and go. Come on, 1, 2, 3. I was like,
Well, Dr. Shamani, we are
Yes, sir.
extremely proud of your
Thank you.
achievements,
Thank you,
and I'm
sir.
sure that you will keep on inspiring your juniors the same
Yes,
way.
sir. Thank
May you keep climbing the stair of success.
thank you, sir.
And many congratulations once
Thank you,
again.
sir.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, sir.